Justice Simon Mugenyi by'abakama nagirango 2012 by'ukwezi kwa 11 mu mwaka w'2024 district ya Kisoro neje kutera akaruru ako kutora n'umunyishengero kazi nayo ngeragirango ari ndijo myanya mukaga ey'abantu abiri bari mu butegetsi bwa local government abafire abandi bakarugamu mbwe nayo nibija kuronda bebembeza basya.
The Electoral Commission is supposed to hold a by-election.
Kandi ngo iryo tegeko nico kimwe risobanura ko iyo bibaye gutyo igitongore cy'iby'amatora bakwiye gutegura amatora kugira ngo buzuze uriya mwanya
within 60 days after that,
mu gihe cy'iminsi 60 bamaze kumenyeshwa.
Justice by'abakama nagirango barukuza kwesimba nabo kuyandikisa abiri yo kwezi 30 hamwe na 31 rero batandike kushwijimo mbetabo nuko kushaba barayesimbe n'abatizi bakaruru okuratereberagiro.
We want to urge all people of Kisoro to follow the law and the guidelines the commission will be issuing concerning this by-election.
Ati rero ndenda gusaba abantu bo mu district ya Kisoro mwese kugira ngo mwubahirize amategeko azabahabwa n'igitongore gishinzwe by'amatora.
Now all prospective candidates, those who will be nominated as candidates,
ukurugera Hardaner orukure byo bururu mu district ya Kisoro abantu bari kutekatekwa kutera akarura kandi bingana imitwari 16,2052 bitumbaro no gubasa kweyongera.
The commission that Kisoro is a unique district which is the only district that borders 2 different countries. It has 5 constituencies, 24 sub-counties, 71 parishes.
Kisoro definitely is no stranger to by-elections. In August 2022, we were here to conduct the Buchimbiri County MP by-election. And I find it interesting that as regional election officer in Southwest, this is the only district which has held by-elections. There is no other district. And as such, this is the second by-election in the same district, post-general elections of 2021.
Bamumba rukwenda kuhana rentebe yo nyishengero kazi aba district ya Kisoro basima kaciko kebyo bururu abo kutahoro map yo kutera hakaruraka.
Ibyo nanje ndabyamagana ibintu byo gutandukanya abafumbira kuko nabivuzeho abafumbira turi abantu barwanishaka abantu babakozi abantu bifagaho abantu mbese bingoga bibeshejeho.
Susan Tukunda owikibine cha Uganda People's Congress yagirango yiteguye kwayana rentebe yo nyishengero kazeji.
It's a limited time ariko tuzagerageza tubikore nkuko bana bivuze kubera na amateka gava hejuru kandi tuvuye hano tubyemerekanyije tugiye kuzagenda dukurikiza uko bayivuze ayo bashireho amasaha nanga se bategushiraho time limit.
Grace Akfeza Ngaberano nawe yagirango yiteguye kujokera bakazo mu district ya Kisoro.
Ndikubasaba mu mpubururu kandi nihayo gukorera abafumbira bose na cyane igitsina gore ndi umufumbira ukunda gukora kandi ukunda ibintu byo gukurakurana.
Gashakwa kita tuzarirwe.